Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can manipulate a photo in Canva, how you can add photo manipulation effect using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to elements and search for travel. Let's jump into photos, right? And here in the photos you can find some good photos. Okay, let's set this in such manner, right? Now we are going to elements and here you can add some graphics, right? You can reduce the transparency. Okay, it's done. Okay, now let me click on save, then download, transparent background, current page, done, download. I have checked out the transparent background, right? Now we are just going to select this image, edit it, go to the tools, sorry, click see all, go to the blur, the whole image, and let's make this image blur with intensity of 20. Okay, now we are just going to elements and search for wooden surface, right? We are going to photos and here we have chosen this one, right? If there is any better, then also we can choose that one. Okay, no issues. We are going to remove the background. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to elements, search for frame. All circular frame, going to uploads, click on upload files, and here we will upload the downloaded file. Okay. Now we are going to select this image and put it over here. It's done. We are going to elements and here we are just searching for graphics. Let's select this one, right? Drop it over here. Press Ctrl Z. Need to reduce its size in such manner. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to search for shadow. Here is the shadow. Duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, and such more. Okay, it's done. White light and the graphics, and select some good white light, right? And you can place it over here. In this manner, you can simply manipulate a photo or you can add a photo manipulation effect in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and click on subscribe to watch more videos like this one. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.